application is dated the 6th day of January 2026 and filed on the 14th day of same January, my lord, 2026. My lord, the application is brought pursuant to Order 2 rule.
Yes, go ahead.
Order 2, Rule 1 and 2 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedural Rules 2009, and under the inherent powers jurisdiction of this honorable court, my lord. And my lord, to save the precious time of the court, my lord, the applicant is yet to receive any counter to this application from the part of the respondent, my lord. So, my lord, in view of this, I will humbly crave your indulgence to.
Just a minute. Your last submission that
My lord, the applicant is yet to receive any counter to this application before my lord. In view of that, it will save the precious time of the court. I will humbly apply to move the application in camp.
My lord, we are opposing to this line of argument, my lord. We are opposing because we have filed our counter affidavit. My lord, we filed our counter affidavit on the 30th January 2026 before this honorable court. And in view of that, my lord, we may crave the indulgence of my lord to ask the registry if our counter affidavit is properly filed and served on the applicant.
Registry, can you confirm?
Yes, my lord. The counter affidavit, my lord, was filed on the 30th day of January, my lord.
In view of that, my lord, and for the interest of justice, we apply for an adjournment so that the applicant will serve properly. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, my lord, having heard from the registry that a counter to the application before you, my lord, has been filed. And the substantive counsel, my lord, is yet to receive any counter. So, my lord, in view of this, we humbly ask for an adjournment. make sure that the service to the applicants, service of the counter to the applicant, my lord, is effected before the next adjourned date. Thank you, my lord.
Registry date.
30th April, my lord.
30th April.
Yes, my lord.
It's too far. No, any closer date?
The 31st March.
Council 31st March.
My lord, it's
Aminu.
convenient.
What I hereby adjourn to the first day of March 2026.
As the court pleases.
The court pleases.
Call the next case, please.
Okay. Charge number. Suit number DM/DM/TH/19/2024 between Greg Matthias versus Ministry of Religious Affairs and 3 others.
With profound respect, my lord.
Just give me a minute. I'm trying to open the file.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, go ahead, counsel.
With profound respect, my lord. My name is H.E. Pona, and I'm appearing with my learned friend, A. Musa. My lord, our humble appearance is for the applicant. We're most obliged.
Respectfully, my lord, S.A. Ibrahim is my name. Appearing with me is Amos Matthias, A. Matthias. Our appearance is for the second respondent.
With respect and humility, my lord, my name is B.S. Modu.
Yes, any more?
My lord,
Okay.
my name is B.S. Modu. I humbly announce my appearance for the first and the fourth respondent.
Can you announce your appearance again? Your names. I didn't get your names.
My lord, my name is B.S. Modu. For the first and the fourth respondent, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, my lord. The case was adjourned to today.
Who is who is speaking?
BS
For the no.
first court respondent.
Okay.
The case was adjourned to today for the first and the fourth respondent to produce his witnesses, my lord. My lord, my witness is in court. I am ready to check the witness subject to the convenience of this honorable court, my lord.
Let's go ahead, since nobody's saying anything.
Okay, my lord, from our end, we are ready. However, before we proceed, may I kindly seek the leave of this court to defer proceedings to my learned colleague, A. Musa, who would take over from here, my lord. I'm most grateful. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead. Application granted.
Thank you, my lord.
Welcome.
Okay, my lord. From my end, I'm ready, my lord.
Yes, registry.
While doing yes, my lord, everyone is in the witness box and is ready to affirm. But first, let me affirm myself. I, San Davi, duly affirm to interpret the court proceedings from English to Hausa and vice versa to the best of my ability. And I affirm to affirm myself.
Zai da Hausa.
Za ka ɗauki shaidan rantsuwa. Abin da na faɗa sai ka nemi. Ina ce ni sai ka ambaci sunan. Ka kalli ko. Ni
Muhammad Yamta Bulani.
na ɗaukan shaidan.
Na ɗaukan shaidar rantsuwa
Game da wannan batu.
game da wannan batu.
Na wannan kotu mai girma.
Na wannan kotu mai girma.
Cewa shaidan da zan bayar.
Cewa shaidan da zan bayar.
Gaskiya ne.
Gaskiya ne.
Allah
ka taimake ni.
Yes, my lord, PW1 has been found. He is male, adult.
He can sit if he wants to. Yes, counsel, we're waiting.
Tell this honorable court your name.
There one of the girma sunan.
Sunana Muhammad Yamta Bulani.
His name is Muhammad Yamta Bulani.
What are you doing for a living?
Yes,
ma'aikacin gwamnati.
He is a civil servant.
He is a civil servant. Okay.
What rank?
Rank.
Director Sharia.
Sharia. He's a director Sharia.
Why are you residing?
Ina 256 Brabra Housing Estate, Damaturu.
He lives in Brabra Estate. Damaturu.
You are a definite.
Kai ka abubuwan da yana wato na wannan kotun.
Na sani, za a sanar da shi.
Do you know Matthias?
Ko ka san wata mai suna Cecilia Matthias?
Na san ta.
He said yes.
Tell to this honorable Pope.
Da wani mai girma kana faɗa hankali kotu tana rubutawa.
Okay.
In ka yi magana kaɗan sai ka tsaya. In kotu ta rubuta.
Sai Cecilia ta zo ma'aikatanmu zan iya tunawa.
He said Cecilia Matthias went to their office. I can remember.
A February ne 2024.
Month of February.
Ta zo daman da yake ma'aikatanmu muna aiki da ta zo sai take tambaya ina ne da Allah tana so ta ga inda za ka ake karɓan addini.
She went to inquire where religion.
To da ta zo muka tambaye ta ke yar ina ne sai ta ce ita yar gada ce. Muka tambaye ta shekarun ki nawa ne?
They asked of her age.
Daga nan kuma da muka tambaye ta shekarunta sai muka ce mata ta ce mana ita ta zuwa makaranta ko muka ga yanayinta sai muka ga shekarunta ya wuce 18 wanda addini ya nuna cewa idan mutum ya kai wannan shekaru zai iya karɓan addinin da yake so.
Can you interpret that? Yes.
They said yes, from secondary school. That means she is about 18 years old, and at that age, she is ready to see any religion of her choice.
Can you ask Madam Halima if the recording machine is recording these proceedings? It's recording?
Yes, she said yes.
Okay. Okay, go ahead then.
Daga nan sai muka ba ta kalmar shaida na addinin musulunci.
From there, she went to Islam.
We have so many cases. Let him speak up so that we can finish this case and go on to the others.
Okay.
Kai magana.
Daga nan da ta karɓi kalmar shahada sai muka nemi sai muka tambaye ta tana da ƴan uwa ne wanda za ta zanna a wajensu.
Does she have people that she can stay with?
Okay. So daga nan da muka tambaye ta tana da yan uwa da su zanna da ita sai ta ce a baya ma ta taɓa musulunta to amma ina gidan sai ta samu matsala da yake tana makaranta ta sake koma addini sai muka ce to idan kina da
Yes.
in sai ta ce ta musulunta a baya to amma yanzu in za ta zanna wajen iyayenta za ta samu matsala.
That she was a Muslim before, but she continued to stay with her parents. She will have some challenges.
So daga nan sai ta ce to akwai dan uwanta a nan Damaturu yana aiki a House Assembly.
From there, she said, that's a brother who is working at National Assembly.
Muka neme shi muka bincika muka ga cewa shi ma yana aiki a nan sai muka danka sa a hannunsa.
From there, I looked and then handed over how to relate.
To daga nan kuma kwasan sai muka ji an ce iyayenta sun fito suna neman ta sun kai karan mu ma har police wajen polisa.
From there, the parents were looking for her, and they even took her to the police station.
To daga nan kuma sai muka nemi da yake kirga muka nemi akwai muna da ma'aikatanmu a local government muka nemi
This is from the local government look for their staff in the local.
suka je suka faɗa iyayenta ga inda take tana gun ɗan uwanta a nan Damaturu aka faɗa a sarki.
They went and her parents that she's together with her relative here.
To daga nan suka ce suka ƙara ministry akan cewa ai mun ɗauke musu yarsu mun musulantar da ita.
From there, they reported to the ministry that they converted their daughter to Islam.
Daga nan kuma muka rubuta leta da yake ta faɗa mana ta yi karatu muka rubuta leta zuwa ainihin makarantar da ta yi zuwa na fika local government akan su bincika mana shekaru su bincika mana wannan nata makarantar da ta yi da shekarunta da ta yi.
From there, they got to their LD, inquire about her age and the school she attended.
Suka rubuto suka dama da shi zuwa ministry ainihin shekarunta da makarantar da ta yi muka ba wa shi lawyer ministry ya duba ya gani
The school she attended to cancelled to the next. Say that's
you made mention that the Universal Basic Education gave you a letter to the ministry in respect of the decision you want.
Wace yi ta baka wasiƙa na bincike ka da makaranta wanda ka kai wa ministry.
Letan da ministry ta bayar muka je don a bincika a ga cewa ya ce karatunta duka, kuma suka turo mana da response su masu zuwa ministry su wannan LEA ɗin kenan.
If you read the letter, able to identify by the Universal Education.
Idan ka ga letan da ake magana kai wanda UBE ta bayar, ta yaya za ka gane?
Tabbas zan iya gane yaushe saboda muhimmancin abubuwan da ya faru a ciki.
Recognize it because of the importance of things that are in it.
Melo, I humbly apply to this one to show the witness the letter written Universal Basic Education and the certificate copy of the full register of the Matthias.
Can you repeat what you have just said? Your submission.
Melo, I apply to show the witness for identification the letter written by the Universal Basic Education in respect investigation of authenticity of certificate and copy through a certified copy of the class register of the Matthias.
Fortunately, I'm trying to record, but the audio is not so stable. How many documents do you have that you want to?
I have my Lord, I have UB data.
Yes.
Eight document. The letter and 8 document, making 9, my Lord.
Yes, go ahead.
Is that the document?
shine takardar leta takarda daga wurin UBA.
Don saboda muhimmancin takardar ma.
He said yes.
Okay. Saboda muhimmancin takardar ma, saboda kama ba ma masinja ma ya kai, ni da kaina aka tada ni daga ministry na kai musu, na je local government LEA din muka
ana rubuta. He said because of the importance of the document, he was given it personally to take it to.
Take two.
To check it with universal basic education, FICA, local government.
Yes, ka ba mu wannan takardar muka kawo.
Then they gave him these papers to print it.
My Lord, I humbly try to tender the letter of the Unit of Education and who got class register in evidence. My Lord. As the first in the country.
Take the first one is the letter from?
Yes, from Universal Basic Education.
While the second one is?
The second one is the school register. The remaining ones are for attendance. Class attendance.
The remaining one is?
Yeah, for class attendance.
Class attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, my lord. My lord, I can't, because of the virtue of the sitting, I can't be able to see the document to actually peruse it through. And also, my lord, the school register that the copy I was served with is not legible, my lord. And also, my lord, I will be objecting to the admissibility of this the school register in question, my lord.
You will be, or I didn't hear that bit.
I'm objecting to the admissibility of this school register, my lord, in evidence. Reason being that, my lord, the purported school register sought to be tendered is not the original. Hmm? And neither was it certified. And also the proper foundation as provided by the Evidence Act. For tendering documents of this nature, my lord. Has not been complied with. And no foundation has been laid to that effect, my lord. Hmm? Hmm? And is as provided by Section 83 of the Evidence Act, my lord. That's my submission, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the class registered is a public document.
The class
Yeah.
register is?
The class register, my lord, is a public document.
I've not heard your submission, counsel.
Okay, my lord. The class register is a public document, my lord. It can not produce the original copy because of the security. This is why, my lord, we produce the certified. The document was certified, my lord.
The document was certified, my lord.
By the Universal Basic Education. And that was done with Section 102, 104 of the Evidence Act 11 as amended in 2020, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the document relevant and acceptable.
I didn't, the provisions of the law you cited, can you cite it again?
Can I? One or two?
Can you bring your gadget closer to you? Because I can barely hear you.
He said Section 102.
Okay, Section 102.
And Section 104.
Yes.
Of Evidence Act 2011, amended in 2023, my lord. I also refer this honorable member to Section 4 of same Evidence Act, my lord. Yeah, my lord, the document is relevant and admissible. I add this honorable court to disregard the objection raised by the African Council and admit same in evidence, my lord. The certified true copy, my lord, is relevant and admissible evidence. That's my submission, my lord.
while trying to tender certain documents in evidence before the court in a virtual proceedings, the applicant counsel objected, citing not having the physical copy of the document to peruse through, and also complaining that one of the documents he was served with is not legible enough. There's also he contended that the failure of the first and fourth respondent counsel to lay a proper foundation before trying to tender the documents. In his response, the first and fourth respondent counsel argued otherwise. This court will adjourn this matter for a ruling in a traditional sitting, and matter will be adjourned to, can you give me a date? I realize the challenge we are having. So I think I'll prefer this matter to be traditional, because documents will be tendered. I have a program, that was why I had to leave. I'm presently in Abuja trying to go through this while we are trying to for the virtual procedures. Yes. So I think it would be better for this particular case to be by the traditional mode. I wish counsel has, yes, if you had drawn my attention earlier, we'll have just adjourned it for when I'm in Yobe.
As a call, please.
Yes, go please.
Please, can the registry, can you give us a date?
Okay, my lord. April.
When?
23rd April.
You have so many microphones in the courtroom and it's echoes. So yesterday and the day before yesterday, that's Tuesday and Wednesday, there wasn't any problem. But today's proceedings is not, the audio is not very audible. The date again.
21st April.
21st April. Council,
Yes,
21st April.
It's convenient.
Convenient, my lord.
My lord, is not convenient.
Suggest a date.
Okay, my lord.
Be mindful of the Salah and Easter.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
My lord, if the court will accommodate us on the 27th, 28th, or 29th April, my lord.
my lord. 8th April.
28th April.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my lord.
Matter adjourned to the 28th day of April, 2026.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
Go through, my lord.
Okay, welcome. Thank you, Counsel. Please call
Thank you, my lord, for obliging us.
My lord, the witness in the court, my lord. The witness.
Yeah.
No application to.
My lord, I humbly apply to withdraw the witness, my lord.
No, is that the right application? Because if you are withdrawing him, it means he'll no longer be available.
Yes.
I humbly apply to discharge the witness, my lord.
You can't discharge him as well because he'll still come back at the next adjourned date.
Sorry, I'm not hearing well what you're.
As the court pleases, my lord.
The witness for now, I've forgotten the word. I myself am struggling to get the right word.
It's excused, my lord.
Not excused. Okay, if you want that, no, it's not good. There's another word for it. Just for a temporary, okay. For want of a better word, we use the word excuse, but that's not the word I wanted to use. Okay,
please.
The witness, thank you so much. Your excuse for now until the next adjourned date. Thank you so much.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Thank you, counsel. Please call the next case.
Yes, yes. Now,
With humility to my Lord.
And just give me a minute. Let me. Okay, I'm trying to open the file.
Okay.
Yes, representation, please.
May it please my Lord. My name is Aminu Umar. I am holding the brief of A. Mustafa, my appearance for the applicant. Thank you, my Lord.
Respectfully, my lord. S.A. Ibrahim. Appearing with me is A. Matthias. We are fearful for the respondents.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
The matter is later today for report or settlement. However, we are glad to inform this honorable court, my Lord, that the parties have settled themselves amicably, my Lord. They have even wedded, my Lord.
Okay, just give me a minute. I need to report of settlement.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
And we are glad to inform this honorable court that the parties, that is the applicant and the respondent, have amicably settled themselves, my lord. To the extent that they have even wedded some months ago. In view of this, my lord, we humbly apply to withdraw matter before the honorable court, my lord. This is my humble application. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, my lord, we are not opposing to the withdrawal since we have already settled our differences. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. We are much obliged. That's all, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
This suit number FSCDM CS 56 and 23. Application by Firdausi Idris Garkwa, Mohammed Idris, Mohammed Tella, and Adamu Mohammed against the Commissioner of Police, Yobe State, Deputy, and 3 others having been withdrawn is hereby struck out.
As
Thank you, madam.
I want to know the rest of the female children, are they married?
Yes, my lord.
Oh, you're not
It's with
aware.
the...
I'm asking the OC leader.
Yes, my lord. They have wedded, my lord, because it's with the help of Hizbah, Damaturu, Yobe State, and Kano State.
Thank you, Council.
You're welcome, sir. Welcome, my lord.
Yes, call the next case.
My lord, we are
That's why
humbly
it's struck out. Yes.
to call last case, which is a ruling.
Registry of court.
Yes.
Sorry?
Yes, my lord, we are humbly applying to call the last case, which is a ruling to be delivered by this honorable court, my lord.
Registry of Court, can you call the case out of turn?
As the court pleases.
Please, my lord, 1 minute, because we are relocating him to another office because of the echo.
Okay, counsel, did you hear the information just passed out, relayed by the Registry of Court?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So I
We have
want
changed our
counsel
position.
to be aware, just give them. Okay.
Also,
Just the,
please, office, if you are here, the echo will still go on.
so many microphones in the court hall?
Yes,
Yes. When they are in the court hall, there is echo. Since I'm telling him to go another office, he refused. It's okay now, my lord. Call the
Yes,
case.
call the case.
Court pleases. Charge number. Suit number FSC/DM/CS/20/2025 between Ahmadu Umaru Muazu and Commissioner of Police, Yobe State, and one other. Parties present.
With humility to my lord, my name is NB Umar. I appear for the applicant.
Respectfully, my lord, S.A. Ibrahim. Appearing with me is A. Matthias. The appearance is for the respondents.
Yes, my lord, the matter slated today is for the ruling of the court. Subject to the court convenient, my lord, we are ready. Listen to the ruling.
This matter, which has been slated today for a ruling, I apologize to counsel that the ruling is not 100% ready. It's about 95, 96% ready. So I think a date will be communicated to counsel for the delivery of the ruling. Probably next week, a date will be conveyed to you, please. I apologize once again.
As the court pleases. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/14/2024 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Bukar Polo. Defendant absent. Yes, my lord.
Just give me a minute. I need to bring out the file because I'm online. things are not so to look for the file. Yes.
May it please, my lord? Z.I. Mustafa, Mrs. is my name. Holding the brief of I. Abdul. Humbly announcing my appearance for the defendant. My lord, the matter was adjourned to today for defense. But the matter cannot proceed due to the following reasons, my lord. Number one, I was intimated by the registry that prosecution is unwell. And cannot participate in this proceeding, my lord. The second reason, my lord, has to do with the absence of the defendant, my lord. My lord, the sureties to the defendant in question are before this honorable court, right in the court hall, my lord. To inform the court why the defendant is not before the court today. My lord, I apply that the sureties be called so that we can hear from them why the defendant is not before the court today.
Is application granted?
As court please, thank you, my lord. Please tell him to briefly introduce himself, his name, his relationship with the defendant, and why the defendant is not in court today.
Ka gaya wa wannan kotu mai sunanka da kuma me yasa shi wanda ake hukuma Bukar Kolo baya kotu a yau.
Sunana Abba Muhammad Kolo.
His name is Abba Muhammad Kolo.
Bukar kanina ne.
Bukar Kolo is his younger brother.
Kuma abin da ya sa bai kotu ba na gari jiya na dawo daga Maiduguri da kan kes din. Da na zo da daddare sai ya zo gida akan cewa bai da lafiya har kai shi asibiti da su aka sallame shi ya dawo da daddaren nan yake gaya ma mutanen gida na je shi.
That he was in Maiduguri. When he came back, they met him and told him that Bukar Kolo was admitted in the hospital, but was later discharged.
Sai kuma da safe na tashi sai na ce mashi to ya shirya akwai zaman So mu zo tare kotu.
So in the morning, we met him and asked him to come to court.
Ya nuna ma maman mu yanzu kan mu bayar da lafiya ba zai iya zama mu zama ga na ce ba zai yi wai ba haka. Na ce ya zo da kanshi da takardun shi na asibiti ya zo kotu yi wa kotu bayani.
That he is not feeling fine, he will not be able to come to court. But the sure he insisted that he must come to court by himself with the evidence from the hospital to show that he was truly admitted.
Sai daga baya nuna cewa ya yarda akan za mu zo mun tashi muna zuwa yana bi ma baya kan kafin mu zo mu hau mashin yana tafiya a hankali yana juya ya ce wallahi shi ba zai iya zuwa ba yanzu zai wuce asibiti daga can ne in ya so in har aka nemi bayani ma mu zo mu same shi a asibiti.
When they are away from him, he was walking slowly. Later, he complained that he couldn't make it, but he will go back with him.
So daga baya da na ga daga baya da na fara cewa kamar ba zai yi ruwa ba ya nuna ba zai yi ruwa kuma ba abin da za ka kama shi da karfi in zo da shi ba sai ni kira mamu ya ce ba ga bukar fa muna hanya da abin da ya yi.
Since he noticed that he would not be able to come to court, and he said it's not something that he can use force on him, then he later called his mother.
Sai na kira ta na gaya mata gashi ya ce muna daidai na ce mishi muna wuri kaza akan ya za ta zo ana tsaye muna waya da ita da ya shiga wani lungu sai na juya da na gama wayan na juya bayan ya shiga lungu na bi shi lungu ya kara shiga wani lungu na zagaye ko ta ina muka nema da maman ba mu ga inda yake ba sai mu zo kotu.
So after informing the mother, my lord, they searched for him everywhere. They couldn't find him. He entered one camp. Shikenan?
So what did you want the court to do now for you?
Me ga ke so kotu ta yi ma.
Abin da nake son kotu ta yi shi ne tunda mun yi iyayenmu ya kasa zuwa in so samu ne su haɗin da ko jami'an NDLA din da suke karin shi da nuna shi su kama shi in cire hannu tunda mun yi baya ji.
Line for the court to go and arrest the defendant and bring him to court by the NDLA officials.
By the information says called.
You will give them the information is what about so as to arrest him.
Yes, my lord. We humbly apply that the application made by Ishonti be granted so that they can put heads together with the NDLEA to see that the dependent is arrested since his bail has been revoked already. And we humbly apply that the matter be adjourned to another date, my lord, before which we hope that the prosecution will regain his health and the defendant too will be arrested so that a substantial progress can be made in this matter. Thank you, my lord.
Give us a date. Registry of
30th,
court.
30th April. April 30th.
I'm sorry, my lord, I didn't hear the date.
It says 30th April.
As God pleases, it's convenient.
Is that okay? This case is called. The defendant is not before the court. As well as the prosecuting counsel, who is ill, having listened to the information passed by the surety and the application of the learned defense counsel, application granted.
As
The
God pleases.
NDLEA is to liaise with the surety to apprehend the defendant before the next adjourned date. Meanwhile, case is adjourned to the 30th April 2026.
As God
Registry of Court, take note.
Thank you, my lord. And that's one
Thank you, my lord. We are grateful.
Sa a haɗa kai a je a kama shi jami'an NDLEA da kuma prosecution lawyer mai kare ka za su haɗa kai su yi yadda za a kawo shi kotu kafin wancan ka je ka zo.
Yes, it's adjourned.
As the God pleases, we are grateful.
Charge number FLC/DM/CR/3 2025 between Musa Ibrahim and Abubakar Kulabus. Both defendants are in court, my lord.
Language?
They speak Hausa.
Yes. Representation?
May it please, my lord? I remain Z. I Mustafa, Mrs. Humbly announcing my appearance for the first defendant.
With humility to my lord, my name is NB Umar. I appear for the second defendant. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the matter was slated for continuation of hearing, my lord. Unfortunately, we cannot proceed due to the absence of the prosecution. In view of this, my lord will be humbly asking for a date, subject to the convenience of the courts, to enable the prosecution regain his health, my lord, and appear before the court so as to make progress. Thank you.
Yes, my lord.
Date?
30th April, my lord.
It's convenient, my lord.
Convenient, my lord.
This case is called, both defendants are in court. The prosecuting counsel is absent. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 30th day of April 2026. The defendants are to continue to enjoy the bail granted them till the next adjourned date.
The court pleases, my lord.
As the court pleases, my lord, we are grateful.
You're welcome. Call the next case, please.
Daga wannan zama sai ranar 30 ga watan hudu shine za ku dawo. Ga shi an rubuta za a ba ku. Sai ku je ku zo da shi. San. Charge number FSC/BM/CR/45/2024 between Abba Ali Malum and one another. Abba Ali Malum. Both defendants are absent.
With humility, my lord.
Yes.
With humility, my lord, MS Baba, for all the defendants in absentia, my lord. My lord, the matter selected today is for hearing, and both the defendants were not before you, my lord. But my lord, despite the fact that the prosecution was not before you, my lord, the surety to the defendant are before you, my lord. Subject to your convenience, my lord, humbly apply that the surety to be called upon and explain why the defendant are not before you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. My lord, the sureties are before you, my lord.
One surety.
Ado.
Yes, one surety.
Yes.
Ina wa'anda ake tuhumar su.
What is his name?
Me sunanka?
Ado Mohammed.
His name is Ado Mohammed.
Yes.
Kamar yadda rannan na roƙi kotu mai adalci da labarin da na samo na shaida ma kotu cewa yana nan a gidan yari a can Lagos.
He said from the information he received, my lord, the defendant is at the correctional center in Lagos.
Shi ne lokacin na roƙi kotu mai adalci ta taimaka in samu tabbaci in NDLA suka ɗan sa hannu a ciki su za su iya communicating da zan san labarin tabbacin gaskiya shi.
From there, he pleaded with the court that time, my lord, that the NDLA officials should support him so that they can have proof.
To verify.
That's to verify, my lord.
Shi ne wanda nake roƙon kotu ta.
Yes, counsel.
My lord, having the defendant to honor before you and the surety has explained why honor before you, my lord, we humbly apply for a date to enable the surety brought the defendant before you, my lord, before the next agenda, my lord. And or the NDLA verify whether the said defendant are at the custody, my lord. Only any date convenient to this honorable court, my lord.
This case is called. The defendant's bail is revoked. The defendant is not in court. At the last adjourned date, the surety to the first defendant informed the court that the defendant was arrested in Lagos and pleaded for the NDLEA to verify. Unfortunately, the prosecuting counsel is not before the court today. The defense counsel is to liaise with the NDLEA to verify whether indeed the defendant is incarcerated at a correctional center in Lagos. The assignment is on the defense counsel to liaise with the NDLEA. You cannot come to court empty-handed and apply for adjournment without informing the court of the whereabouts of the second defendant. Defense counsel, MS Baba, can you unmute yourself?
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Can I hear you, my lord?
I said the assignment is on you to liaise with the NDLEA at the next adjourned date for the whereabouts of the defendant. You cannot just come to court and continue to apply for adjournment. We need to verify whether the first defendant is indeed remanded at a correctional center in Lagos State. Secondly, there are two defendants in this case. Where's the other defendant?
Ina ɗayan wanda ake tuhumar.
Shi ɗin wannan ban da labarinsa tunda ba.
I'm not asking the surety, I'm asking the defense counsel.
All right.
He disappeared.
Has disappeared.
It's back.
He can go and sit down. You please interpret what I've just read out.
Okay. Alkali ta ce
MS Baba, unmute yourself.
haɗa lawyer mai gabatar da kara da lawyer mai kare shi wanda ake tuhuma za su haɗa kai su yi kokari su je su tabbatar ko an rike shi a gidan yadi a Lagos. Ba za a dinga zuwa kotu ba komai a hannu ana dinga nema a daga zama ba tare da wani abu a hannu ba. Saboda haka kafin wancan ranar da aka bayar a yi kokari a kawo sakamako.
Mr. MS Baba, your response?
Yes, my lord. Sorry, my lord, I have a network problem. That's my lord.
Where's the other defendant? You keep muting and unmuting yourself. There are two defendants in this case.
My lord, it is network, my lord. There's nothing that remove me from the Zoom meeting, my lord.
Oh, I see. Where's the second defendant?
Ibrahim Mohammed. Where is the second defendant, Ibrahim Mohammed? Cancel.
Hello? My lord? Sorry, the network is so bad, my lord. I can't even see the court registry, my lord.
Just where's the second defendant?
My lord, the second defendant, I contacted his surety and he informed me that he will be before the court today. So I don't know why he's not before, because he's coming, he's told me that he is in Maiduguri and he's coming back and attend the court session. So I don't know. I thought my lord, he's before you at the court registry, my lord, at the courtroom, my lord.
Are you not at the beginning of this case, when the registry of court informed the court that both defendants are not before the court? Registry, give me a date.
30th April.
The bail of both defendants in this case is revoked. Defense counsel is to ensure that both defendants are in court at the next adjourned date, being the 30th day of April 2026. He should liaise, like I stated earlier, with the NDLEA to confirm the whereabouts of the first defendant and ensure that the second defendant is in court at the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases. Charge number FSC/BM/CR/21/2024 in Federal Republic of Nigeria and Abubakar Ali and Umar Mohammed. Abubakar Ali and Umar Mohammed.
Umar Mohammed.
Yes, my lord. The second defendant is in court. Well, the first defendant is absent. And he speaks also.
Representation.
Respectfully, my lord, J. Abdul Qadir is my name. I humbly and respectfully announce my appearance for the complainant, my lord.
Counsel, I've not seen, okay.
With utmost respect and humility, my lord, I am A.I. Waziri, announcing my humble appearance for the defendants.
Yes.
With respect, my lord, we sincerely apologize for any inconveniences the absence of the first accused person may cause the court and the prosecution.
On the last adjourned date,
My Lord, we informed this honorable court about the whereabouts of the first accused person, which was that he was in Damaturu,
Borno State.
and that all effort to contact him was made, and so the matter was adjourned to 26th, 23rd, sorry, my Lord. Okay, sorry, my Lord, to 3rd March. Was adjourned to 3rd March. And we were able to communicate with the accused person, the first accused person, through his surety, who made contact with him and informed him of the day the case is adjourned.